What's up, guys? This is for Skatify. That's my brother. 97 Big Cat, right?
Yeah.
So today I got two Brenguard. I can't show you the shipping thing. I got two Brenguard skateboards. I've been waiting for like 3 weeks, probably.
More.
Probably, yeah.
I'd call it a good month.
Yeah, I got these on my birthday, and they got here because like.
Did you order it exactly on your birthday?
Yep.
3 days short of a month, he's been waiting. No.
I got
2 days, excuse me, 2 days short of a month he's been waiting for these boards.
I don't think they come with free grip tape. So here's this one.
I like that one.
Yeah, it's this one. I need to go get some grip tape. Yeah, kind of just hold it up. Super sick. Alright, this is really quick.
It's okay, some of my unboxings are quick. Check out my channel. Why not?
And I
97 Big Cat.
I got Royal Trucks, Slave wheels.
What?
And Reds, Bunge Reds bearings. And that's gonna go on these. Hey, comment which one I should skate first. It's upside down.
I did that on purpose.
Okay. Alright, see you later.